Alright guys, Georgia Jim got a Mul-T-Lock padlock here. I believe it's I know it's a C series. I have no clue what the actual model is. See if we can get this thing picked. I picked it a few minutes ago, and apparently I had to take a bunch of stuff out of it to actually gut it, and I had to relock it to gut it, so I get to pick it again. All right, this is a Serrated Classic core. Let's see. All right, we got a small little false set there. See if we can get these inners picked. All right, should just have one inner left. One or two, I say that. No, there we go. All right, now we can get the shackle out. I had to remove a roll pin. Well, not a roll pin, but some other kind of pin. And it's locked up again, so hopefully I don't have to pick this thing for a third time to get it apart. And I don't. All right. set that there. Okay. All right, there's the body, the shackle guard, the shackle. All right. I'm going to assume I need to move this spring. I've never gutted one of these. I really have no clue. All right, I don't even know what the hell that was, but it fell out. Put that there. Here's that little pin I had to Houdini and get out. Hopefully I can leave, well, hopefully I can leave that on. I don't want to take this whole thing apart if I don't have to. Can I slide this out? Shit, I know it's a split core. I probably do have to take that out now that it's... Take that off. Move that. And that. Or maybe we push it out the other end. Does it go out this end or that end? Man, I swear if I have to pick this thing for a third time to gut it, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, it's coming. Just doesn't want to come out easily. All right. All right, let's see. They're all serrated. So. And since I got some classics, I'll probably just rekey this one so I can have a working one. Feedback on this thing was pretty bad. It's kind of dirty. Get out of there. All right, so come on, there we go. You can see we got 5 serrated drivers, 5 pin key pins. These are all standard inners on the driver, so no counter milling or anything in the key pins. Like I said, this is probably a pretty old padlock. I picked it up keyless for cheap and figured I could rekey it and have a nice padlock. So, all right, guys, that's the plan, and maybe I'll show you guys if I get it put back together. All right, thanks for checking it out.